then what is the reward system like? We are making progress, and we can only do better. Let's keep hope alive. The state police idea, now that it goes beyond an idea to something that is becoming real, let's prepare for it, and let states engage in healthy competition. The future is bright, and let's keep hope alive.
Well, at some point in time, the National Economic Council would open up discussions. From reports in the media, most of the states agreed to one form or the other of it. But again, there's still work to be done. As you yourself have mentioned, there are kinds of things to be taken care of, not the least the Constitution, which currently just permits a federal police station. On a final note, will this eventually make the police, and now I use the term police as policing generally, a friend of the people?
No. The police can never be a friend of the people, because what the police sets out to do, I put it in summary form. Policing is about investing one man with state authority to affect the freedom of another. That is, even the freedom to commit a crime. So, the police can never have universal acceptability, but the police can have substantial appreciation of what they do, especially when crime may have been committed. But the speed with which they do that may vary from one situation to another. In some cases, they could just meet murder luck in the course of their investigation that they hit jackpot. In some others, dead hands. Eventually, the thing dissipates. But that's not a peculiar Nigerian problem. Check any record anywhere. Loads. And talking about policemen misbehaving, police misbehave everywhere. In America, what they even do, you have misbehaved in Chicago, Illinois. You run away to Florida and can still be recruited. Even with all of that technological advancement and all that, the police can never be friends of the people or the public, because members of the public will always want to do things that the police may approve of. Right. But in apprehending and bringing the criminal to justice, let the police be humane. But the tendency by people who wear uniform and have responsibility for enforcing regulations and laws to abuse their uniform very high. From FRSC to NSCDC, anything. Once there is this thing about wearing the uniform, it's not only in Nigeria. I have reports, as I said before, if you go to Britain, buy the metro in the morning, or pick the metro, it's for free. Evening Standard, when you are going back home, you will see reports of criminal policemen. They are all over the place, over the ages.
Well, it's been interesting as usual talking to you, Professor Kemi Rotimi. Thank you once more for coming on this program. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Right. And that's our program today. We thank you for watching. Next week, we'll be back with One-on-One. I'm Cyril Stover. Bye for now.